leaders continue to face new supply chain challenges at every turn, from the global pandemic to geopolitical events to higher than ever customer expectations to labor shortages throughout every stage of the supply chain. Disruption has become the norm. We have all seen it, experienced it. Grocery stores struggling to stock their empty shelves, container ships in the ocean as far as the eyes can see, demand and supply completely out of alignment. It's time to sunset the notion that supply chains will return to pre-pandemic normalcy. They won't. Supply chain disruptions will never just be a thing of the past. It's the present and the future.
It's time to embrace disruption and rethink how we manage supply chains. Businesses today are facing an extraordinary challenge. They have to operate across multiple boundaries, geographical boundaries, as well as boundaries across functional teams within the enterprise, supplier networks, and cooperate and navigate this very complex supply chain scenario. And they have to do this in a way that they can orchestrate across a range of technology systems that typically are not really built to talk to each other. And they have to do this while they improve customer experience. What we have done together with Google Cloud is to help our businesses do just that, to navigate this disruption in a very, very effective way. Our collective solution that we have built together brings two very different dimensions to it. It brings the range, the reliability, the scalability, and the innovation of Google Cloud, as well as Google's digital supply chain solutions. And it brings our expertise within industry solutions that have been built on decades of supply chain use cases, together with our supply chain pedigree across many years, as well as our AI and machine learning assets that have been specifically built at this intersection for supply chain and industry solutions. Together with Google's cloud and Google's digital supply chain solutions, what we can offer businesses and our customers that are navigating this unprecedented change is the ability to be able to, in a very practical way, put together a rapidly deployable, multi-tiered digital supply chain solution. This supply chain solution has three components to it. The first tier is based on an enabling foundation that cuts across enterprise private data, a community network that consists of suppliers and other partners, and finally, a real-time or publicly available data sets that include things like traffic and weather. Then we layer in on top of that a collaborative visualization capability that helps you create end-to-end visibility scenarios for supply chains and helps you to react in a way that you can, for example, use risk management alerts to be able to quickly respond to specific scenarios that need your attention. And finally, the top tier consists of specific AI and machine learning supply chain solvers that help you to run a range of what-if scenarios, as well as provide a powerful set of optimization and scenario planning capabilities that will help you to apply cognitive decision-making and attack very difficult problems in demand forecasting, inventory management, logistics, fleet management, or management of suppliers. In addition, this digital supply chain solution can help you attack sustainability and traceability targets because of the extraordinary visibility that you have on an end-to-end supply chain basis.
This joint solution embraces our new supply chain reality. It leverages the agility, scalability, and innovation of the Google Cloud. It enables businesses to accelerate their cloud adoption while building a supply chain for an uncertain future. And it arms business leaders with the tools they need to reduce risk, navigate disruption, and even thrive in the face of unrelenting change.